to show you how to play My Way by Frank Sinatra. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's just start with the intro. The intro is we're in the key of D, and so you're just going to have in the left hand a D, D, D. And then you'll fill out the D chord with A, D, F sharp. Here's your D chord, D, F sharp, A. We're going to bring the A down here and just kind of swing it. So you'll play. And then you just kind of hold that and we go in right into the melody. Okay, so let's get the melody. Now I think an important thing for the melody is to push the low note just a little bit. If you'll push the low note, the high note will take care of itself. So each of those opening the phrases, and we're going to go with A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, F sharp, E, F sharp, A, F sharp, E, E, D sharp, up to a B, G, B, G, F sharp, G, B, G, F sharp, G, B, A, G, F, E, G, F sharp, D, A, G sharp, A, B, A, G, G, F sharp, A, G, A, F sharp, A, G, F sharp, E, C sharp, D, E, pause, E, D. So there's your melody, and the melody now, each time he sings it, he'll change it just a little bit, and I have those changes, those alterations in the letter notes. Now let's get the left hand. We're going to walk down a D chord, so we'll hit the D and then the F sharp and the A in the pause between phrases, then C sharp, F sharp, and A. And what we're going from a D chord to an F sharp minor chord with this C sharp in the bass. So the bass is going to walk down D, C sharp, C, B, then you go back up to the E, D, C sharp, D, and then you're back to the D chord, but we go D, F sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp, A, C, F sharp, A. So you go from an F sharp minor to an F sharp diminished, then to a B, F sharp, A. Now that's going to be like a B7. Then we go to an E minor, E, G, B, to a G chord with the D in the bass, the G in the middle. Here's your G chord, G, B, D. E minor is E, G, B. We just play it straight, E, G, B. Then a D, G, B. Then we go to a C sharp, G, A. Now what that is actually, it sounds like an A7 to me, A, C sharp, E, G, but we're just playing the C sharp, G, and A. We're leaving out that E right there, and we put the A on top. C sharp, G, and A, D, F sharp, and A, then D, F sharp, A, C, F sharp, A. We go to that diminished sound, B, to the G chord with the B in the bass, B, D, and G. Now to a G minor chord, B flat, D, and G. Then it resolves back to the D, F sharp, A, C sharp, A7, C sharp, G, A, and then we go to you hit that C, I did it, and then during the pause you hit the G chord, the D, G, B, G in the middle, then hit the melody, and then we resolve that right back to the the D chord. Now I'm going to go slowly through that so that you can see it with both hands together. E minor, to the G chord, to the A7, for the melody to come down before you hit the rest of the chord. D chord, F sharp diminished, G chord, G minor, back to the D chord. Into the second verse, and the second verse is just about the same, except there are a few little melodic differences, and I'll point them out. Here we go up to the A, and because you're saying regrets, he kind of shortens that. He goes regrets, then we go back down. Here we're just going to go E, F sharp, E, E, D sharp. This, to paint the words, your rhythm is different. So you've got a G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G. Stays up here. B, F sharp, A, G. Stays up on the G here. Then we're into the bridge verse, and it starts off with a triplet. E, F sharp, G, A. B, A, G sharp, A. G sharp, A, B, B, C, C, B, A, B, B, C sharp, D, D, B, D, B, C sharp, C sharp, D, E, E, F sharp, E, D, 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 E, E, C sharp, C sharp, D, E, E. Of course, you can hear there's a little bit of range to this. Now, in his later years, he took it down from the D to a D flat. He dropped it to just a half step. So you will see some videos where he's a half step lower. But the original videos, he's in the key of D. So the triplet. Now, on this verse, we change the chord progression too. We go D, F, D chord. Then we go to a D7. Then we go to a G. We stay on the G, go to an E minor, to the A7, and all of the notes, C sharp, E, G, to the F sharp minor, to the B7. And it's a B minor, E minor 7th, B minor 7th, back to the E minor, A7, and then it's just like the other verse. So here it is together, hands together, and I'll go slowly. Now see, actually you've got an E minor 7th there, because you've got the D up here. Same thing here, we've got an F sharp minor 7th, B7, B minor 7, B, D, F sharp A, B major 7th would be here, a B7 would be right there. But when you got to take that to a minor chord, now you got a minor chord with a minor 7th. Back to that E minor 7, to the A7, we're into the third verse. Now the third verse is very similar, same stuff. Goes up here. Now here's a slight change. It just goes, it just has 4 notes there because the words don't have enough syllables. Here you want to get real soft because he's going, but not so shyly, but not shyly. He does it. He isn't shy about it. He does it his way. Yeah. So just hold it back. There he's saying no, no, no. I did it. So go right back into it. We have a bridge tag. It's just like the bridge, but this is going to be a tag with a tag ending. And it starts off, instead of 3 notes, it starts with 4 notes. So it goes E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. And you can work out however fingering you want on that. Whatever works for you. But you want to drive from that E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. Now a little trick, if you're going from black, white, black, you can always do middle finger, thumb, middle finger. So but if you're going white notes next to each other, you go thumb, index finger, then middle finger, thumb, middle finger, thumb, middle finger, thumb, index. Now in this case we're going from E, F sharp, G, F sharp, A. So what I would do probably is go, I would just go thumb, middle finger, and then hit that as hard as you can with that ring finger. But you work out your own fingering on that. Make it work for you. It's just like that other bridge. Here comes the tag. Then you put the pause before my way. Pause right there and then hit this with the chord. And then hit F sharp, G, A, and hit the D chord. You're already up there high. Just hit it and hold it. So it'll end there in a grand style. So instead of putting the pause, up here and we'll go. So then there at the ending we have it. There you have it. My Way by Frank Sinatra. I hope you enjoy it.